This is our CNC trainer. It's used in electronics 215. Basically, it is a real FANUC CNC control with the operator's panel and everything. We only have one axis, but it gives us enough that we can train people on how the CNC itself works and some things for troubleshooting, such as going into parameters. We have test points here that we can make measurements with and everything. So just to run I think we still have a program in here, and let's see, we're in automatic, so it ought to be ready to go. It just ran a short program. We can do it again and watch the screen up here. I'll put it in program, and you can see it step through the individual program steps as we go. Short program.
All right. Thank you.